Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to use the Tech Support Advisor GPT that was developed by OpenAI that you can use from setting up a printer to troubleshooting a device. There is a lot of use cases for this custom GPT. So if you haven't used GPTs before, you have to know that you have to have a ChatGPT Plus or Enterprise subscription to be able to use them. But if you have one, all you have to do is on the left, click on your account name, then select My GPTs here. Or you can also click on this Explore button here, where you will see all your GPTs and the GPTs that was created by OpenAI. And if you want to use the Tech Support Advisor GPT, select it and just click on that GPT. And this will open up this window where you can be able to start interact with these Tech Support Advisor. As you can see, ChatGPT recommends some of these prompts you can use this GPT with. But on my website, 𝐅𝐫𝐞𝐞 I also have a full tutorial on the Tech Support Advisor GPT. As you can see here, where I talk about how you can use it, how you can start using it. And I also share some of the use cases with prompts you can use with variables. So you can change the variable and you can see how it's a really useful custom GPT. So if you want to learn more about this Tech Support Advisor GPT, make sure to check out this article in the description below where you can get all the prompts as well. Also, if you want to get access to a free database that contains thousands of custom GPTs, make sure to check out the link in the description below. You can search this custom GPT database by category, description, and more. And there is also a database version with 10 use cases and example prompts for these custom GPTs. You can get access to this database for free by clicking the link in the description below. It will open up this page where you will be able to download it. So let's see an example. But now let's see how to use the Tech Support Advisor GPT. So this is the prompt I have come up with. This is the prompt from the article I have mentioned. Walk me through customizing the privacy settings on Windows to maximize data protection while still allowing functional use of apps and services. You can also upload an image, but let's send this message and let's see what Tech Support Advisor GPT will come up with. So as you can see, absolutely, they are happy to walk you through customizing your privacy settings in Windows. So here's how you can access the privacy settings. There are some general privacy options. There is speech, inking and typing, privacy settings, diagnostics and feedback settings, activity history, location, camera and microphone, account info, contacts, calendar, call history, background apps, app permission, Windows Update, Microsoft Store apps. So all these options you have. We also get some additional tips. So as you can see, this is a lot better than general ChatGPT answer. So here's how you can basically leverage. This was just one use case of how you can leverage the Tech Support Advisor GPT. Hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to the custom GPT database and other free ChatGPT and AI resources, make sure to check out the links in the description below. And if you want to learn more about ChatGPT, custom GPTs, ChatGPT plugins and other AI software, make sure to check out our YouTube channel and playlists because we have over 1,000 free tutorials, and also make sure to subscribe because we have more tutorials coming up.